In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate presentations, documents, and images using Canva AI prompts. This incredible tool can save you time and inspire creative projects with just a few clicks. Whether you're working on a professional presentation, drafting a detailed document, or creating beautiful images, Canva AI has got you covered. Let's dive right into how you can make the most out of this feature. To begin, head over to Canva. Once you've reached the home page, you'll notice a range of different options and tools at your disposal. From the dashboard, you're going to want to select Canva AI. This powerful tool is designed to take the hassle out of creating content, leveraging artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting for you. Once you've clicked on Canva AI, you'll see a text box where you can input prompts. For presentations, type in a clear, specific prompt related to your presentation topic. Canva AI will then work its magic and generate a series of slides. Each slide will come complete with appropriate titles, visually appealing layouts, and even suggested visuals that fit your topic. It's like having your very own graphic designer working alongside you. Next, from the Magic Studio interface, you'll need to choose the option labeled Draft a Doc. In this section, just enter the prompt for the document you need. The Magic Write feature in Canva AI is particularly powerful for generating full paragraphs, outlines, or even extensive reports. Again, specificity is your friend here. The more detailed your prompt, the more accurate and tailored the resulting document will be. Now, let's move on to creating images. Within Magic Studio, click on Create an Image. You'll be prompted to select a style and ratio to help guide the aesthetic and composition of your image creation. Once you've made these initial selections, type in a descriptive prompt to bring your image idea to life. Canva AI will instantly generate 2 to 4 versions, offering a variety of interpretations of your prompt. Look through these versions and choose your favorite. If you find a version that inspires you but isn't quite perfect, don't worry. Canva allows for easy edits, giving you the freedom to tweak and perfect your image till it fits just right with your vision. Once you've crafted your presentations, documents, or images to your satisfaction, it's time to download your work. For presentations, you can download your files as PDFs or MP4s, making them ready for immediate sharing or presentation. For documents, PDFs are your go-to format, ensuring everything stays in place as you intended. Finally, for images, select between PNG or JPG formats depending on your needs. And there you have it, a simple, streamlined way to generate high-quality content using Canva AI prompts. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the creative process with this fantastic tool at your disposal. Happy creating!